Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we'll talk about the key to building a successful team, the 5 tips to hiring the right people for your team and your business. Now, building a successful team begins with hiring the right people. Finding and attracting top talent can be a challenging task, but with the right insights and techniques, you can increase your chances of making successful hires. So, do you want to build a successful team? It all starts with hiring right. We will discuss 5 techniques to hiring right for small businesses. Number one, define the roles and requirements. Number two, develop a clear job description. Number three, utilize multiple sourcing channels. Number four, screen resumes and conduct initial interviews. And number five, conduct in-depth interviews and assessments. Now, number one, define the roles and requirements. Before you start the hiring process, it's important to clearly define the roles and requirements for the position. This includes determining the specific skills, experience, and qualifications that are necessary for success in the role. By having a clear understanding of what you are looking for, you can more effectively evaluate candidates and ensure that you are hiring the right person for the job. Number two, develop a clear job description. Now, this document should outline the responsibilities, qualifications, and expectations for the role. It helps to set clear expectations for the role, ensuring that candidates understand what will be expected of them if they are hired. And also, a well-written job description deters unqualified candidates from applying, saving you time and effort in the hiring process. Number three, utilize multiple sourcing channels. When looking to hire top talent, it's important to cast a wide net and utilize multiple sourcing channels. Relying on just one platform or method may limit your pool of potential candidates. Each channel has its own unique audience and can attract different types of candidates. Number four, screen resumes and conduct initial interviews. Now, this step is crucial in narrowing down your candidate pool and identifying those who have the qualifications and skills necessary for the position. When screening resumes, look for key indicators such as relevant experience, education, and certifications. After screening resumes, it's time to conduct initial interviews. These can be done over the phone or through video conferencing platforms. Remember, the goal of the initial interview is to assess whether the candidate meets the basic requirements for the position and to get a sense of their personality and communication style. The fifth tip, conduct in-depth interviews and assessments for hiring right. This step allows you to dig deeper into their skills, experience, and fit for the team. During in-depth interviews, ask more detailed and specific questions related to the job requirements and responsibilities. This will help you assess the candidate's knowledge and expertise in the relevant areas. In addition to interviews, consider conducting skill assessments or tests to evaluate the candidate's abilities in specific areas. I have another video on how to conduct functional tests for candidates. I'll leave the link in the description. Thank you for watching. This was a video summary of my blog post, Hiring Right, the key to building a successful team. The link to the post is in the description. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you. Take care and be safe.